Before anyone gets unnecessarily offended by this saying that I use, please let me explain. It's a phrase that I use to warn of dangers surrounding vans, and it just rhymes, that's all. So where I mean man, it could mean anyone. That's fine. Good job. Dangers with the van,
Yeah.
isn't it? Dangers behind the flipping hell. See where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard me say, I don't know whether I have said it, I don't say it that often, but sometimes I'll say where there's a van, there's a man.
Wow.
I know it could be a
said that.
woman as well, but at the end of the day, you get the point that I'm making. That there was always the danger there, wasn't there? Yeah?
Absolutely.
There's a van, there's a man. Or a woman.
Just to prove a point there on that one.
Yeah.